Welcome you all back to a Rifle Rumble! Like I was saying, easy. But by the way, me and Ayana are playing Rifle Rumble. It's a game on Rec Room. You guys can try it out. It's like I don't know, a bunch of like stuff. So if you guys want to like them out too, you can. It would really help out the creators. But let's get into it. Like we already are into it though. Where is she? Abracadabra! Gotta speed. Pop out at one of them. Okay, so basically this game is just like you have a sniper rifle and it's like you shoot. And that's basically what it is. It's easy as that. Oh, dang it! Oh, Amos joined too.
Showerless.
Headless. I'll give her that headless Roblox treatment. Ella mummies, where's Aimless? We're killing Showerless. Honestly, bro, I like that we call him Showerless, but I could call Ayana something that will really get her going. Watch this, ready? Hey, who's the good kitty? Who's the good kitty? Ah. Like I said.
Yeah, I'm never forgiving you for that.
That's right, good kitty. Ah. Ow, again. Nice. Where's Amos? Where's Amos? Amos. Amos. Ow. First we're gonna kill the kitty, then we're gonna kill the Showerless guy.
Okay, you motherfucker.
Look up the kitty, now where's the Showerless guy? Honestly, bro, I'm gonna spin it right now. Good kitty, go! Oh my god. Okay, go jump! Oh damn. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Behind you.
Showerless and kitty eliminated. Easy. I'm joking, it's not easy. It's pretty good. It's pretty fast paced. Okay. How they not hit? Oh my god. I'm so bad. Ooh, good at this. Sorry, good. I meant good. Oh. Oh, come, that hit him. You all saw it stop. What is your hitbox, Aimless? What is your hitbox? Oh, I got him low. I got him so low. Nice. You guys are doing the video so far, just make sure that, like, I don't know why. It's just the YouTube customs. Besides, if I hit this shot, you got like, oh, I'm joking now. If I kill Aimless in the next like 3 minutes, you guys gotta like, just saying, watch this. Trick stab. Wait, why am I even? We're not even playing Clash. No trick stab. What do I gotta say? Trick stab. Yo, hold on. What was that? Hold on. Oh god. Cleaning toilets and licking floors. Cleaning toilets and licking floors. Bro. I killed Aimless though, so you guys gotta... I actually did it in like a minute, so... Yeah. I know my mates. Ah, damn it. Where is he? No, I found him. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my... Boom.
Did you?
This is such a... I love it. Got him. Ow. How? Aimless is aim full. What are you talking? Bro, you're aim full, not aimless. You're aim full. How do you have such good aim? Bro! Dude, I'm gonna put the... Bro. Aimless, man, come on. Got him! Trick stab! Trick stab. Wait, you don't even have a weapon? He got fist! He got the fist of fury! Ow! Will be pop out at 1 in the morning.
Amos, leave and rejoin if you don't have Aimless, leave and rejoin. I can't even kill you.
Aimful.
Aimful.
He's aimful.
Gainix.
No more top foolery.
Ah! Hi, Gainix. Hi, Gainix.
What was that? What was
Hi,
that?
Gainix.
That's a new one.
Goodbye, Gainix.
Goodbye, kitty. No! Whoa, kitty cat, I tell ya. That dang kitty cat. That dang kitty. Wait, who gave the cat a sniper? Who gave the cat a sniper? Oh, shoot. Car. God dang it. I didn't mean to say that. I stole your kill. Gosh, it's me and you know. Trick shot. Ah, she's running back. Oh, yeah, that's okay. That's
Just
okay.
had to do something.
What? What?
Just had to do something. That's all. That's why I had to leave and rejoin. All
see
right, now
what
I'm
we
at
got now.
207. I'm at 272 on the leaderboard.
Hey, I have 21 kills. You have only 140.
Yeah, and I'm in 200. Go
And
in
look
there
up
real
second,
quick.
bro. Amos
Right.
only has 23. And, yo, that's crazy hilarious. Only has 2. Amos is right on my tail.
All right. Anyways, just go real quick.
Amos. Marco. Marco. Hello. Marco. I am a mummy. Nice. Cause we pop out at 1 in the morning.
Promise that you'll catch me